little cute tortellinis, which comes from the word in Italian torta, which means pie. Okay, so then what we have is a little filled pie. There you go, a little filled pie.
Ooh, looks pretty big.
Tortellini, okay? All right, so what I'm making today is I'm going to make a pesto salad using tortellinis. So here I've cooked off our tortellinis. I have spinach cheese ones, or you could get just cheese, whatever kind of tortellinis you like, okay? And they're nice and cool and ready to go. And then what I'm going to do is make a sauce for these, which I have some pesto here because I'm making a pesto tortellini sauce. I have some mayonnaise and a little milk and a little olive oil, okay? And we're going to whisk this all together here like this and make our tortellini sauce. Here we go. Because we're making a pesto tortellini sauce. Beautiful tortellini sauce. And put cheese on your tables. Some people will probably want to have their salad, this tortellini salad, beautiful pesto salad, tortellini. They probably maybe would like to have it with a little cheese on top. And there we have our beautiful pesto sauce here. Now, I use jarred pesto. You use whatever brand you like, or you can make your own. Get some beautiful leaves. Get some beautiful leaves and do them up in your food processor, but I do it the easy way.
You mean basil?
Basil, beautiful leaves. Yes, the basil leaves, Anthony. Okay, so here we made our sauce. Now we're going to come over here. I'm going to put in about 8 ounces of broccoli florets. These are broccoli florets. They're been blanched. I blanched them already. And over here I have some multicolored peppers, sweet peppers, and I have underneath the peppers hiding, I have some green olives here. Okay, and we're going to put them all in our bowl. Okay. So, all we have to do is get a nice, soft, so you don't destroy your tortellinis because they've been cooked already and they're cold and I took them out of the refrigerator, right? All right, so let's get some of the sauce on here. And I'm going to hold back some of this so I have a little extra because, you know, Anthony likes his sauce. So there we go. We're going to flip these over like this, just like this. You don't even need to add salt because in the prepared basil, there's already salt in there and garlic, so I didn't even add any garlic to this because we have it. Okay, so then what we're going to do with this is plate this up and we're going to serve this and have a beautiful tortellini salad lunch. Put a little cheese on top, pecorino or parm, whatever you like. There you go. And there we have it. Okay, so as always, we love you all here. Remember to go to our channel pages. We have got playlists of all the full recipes there. I'm doing lives, and then we have playlists for the shorts that put them all together to take you through the steps to make this beautiful pasta dish. Okay, so there we have it. So this is Peter Carpizzos. As always, we love you all. We'll see you again. Out!